Hello, graphic designers or Gravit designers. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set up a workspace. And I'm just going to show you some things I'd like you to know. So in the first box here, it's going to be 8.5. And in the height box, it's 11 inches. This box, when it originally comes up, it'll say PX. We just definitely want to make sure that it's inches. And then we'll hit Create. And here's our workspace. We're going to start just with basic shapes and doing some different things. So I selected the rectangle tool. It's right up here on the menu bar. And as you see, the box is actually gray. We don't want to have gray boxes as far as shapes when we're trying to make an interesting design. So we'll just come down here and click, just a single click, and then we can choose the color that we want it to be. So I'm going to get this yucky color. I like that you click on it, it automatically fills it for you. Okay, so we're going to do another shape back up here again. Do the drop down and do the ellipse. I'll hold down my shift key so it's in proportion. And I'm going to make a color there. Back over to the fill. That one red. Over here. And then I'm going to do one more. Go back up here. And we have a triangle shape. So I'm going to hold down the shift key again. I'm just going to do that, but I want to change the color. Come back over to the fill. And I will just choose blue. You'll notice that I did these, and this one was first. However, because this one was last, it'll be over the top of both of those. All right. So let's also talk about, or let me show you what you can do with text in the box here. So I'm going to select my text tool. I'll click in here, and it's going to say type your text, or type your text here. So I'm just going to put, let's see, Trini Poo. I'm going to click on it. You'll see here now I have my text. I'm going to use a different font. I'm going to change the font. And the way that you do that is you come over here where it says Appearance, and down below this text is called Open Sans. Sans means that it doesn't have any feet, and I'll show you what that means later. So if I click here, it'll give me some different things. So I'm just going to change it to the script, and I'm going to hold down my shift key, put my arrow on that corner to make it larger. There's two different ways to do that, but for this video, sorry about that. Hear that? If you come over here, you'll see that it's 20 point text. We do the drop down, and I'll make it a little larger. I'll make it 48. Then I will drag my text right back up into this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something fancy. I want Trinity to be in white and Poo to be in a different color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to double click, and I will make that part of my text one color. And so you can see here under Appearance, you just click that to bring the color up here. I'm going to make it white. Back here. Now I want to do the same thing with the Poo. So highlight that, and it's going to be outside the box, and I want it to be the same color as this green color here. So what I'm going to do, it's selected. I'm going to grab my, where is it? I don't see the tool that I want here at the top, and I'll have to check for that later. So I'm going to change it to kind of that greenish color. Come back over here. Move here. It won't be exact, but it'll be close. Right about there. It's a little lighter, but that's okay. Then I'm just going to click on it. Hold on, sorry. Click on it, click off of it, and you'll see there that I have this white text over that green area. and you can change the text to a different color. Now, if it's a separate word, it's easy to do as well. So let's say I want to put Trini Poo in the red. I'm going to copy and then paste. It'll give you another layer of text. I'll just grab it. I'll bring it down to the red. Now this time I'm going to make this part white. Click, double click, over it. And I'm going to go up here, there, and then the Trinity part, I just double click to highlight just that area, and I'm going to make it red. Click here, go here, and there you go. Nice simple tutorial. Enjoy it, have fun, and there's more to come.